Live pictures now from Chopper 4 over Coral Gables. The city beautiful, not so beautiful right now after Hurricane Irma swept through South Florida yesterday, leaving behind one huge mess, not only in the Gables, but throughout South Florida. The scene is repeated. Trees uprooted, branches broken and down in the street, power lines down as well, and a big mess for South Floridians to clean up. That cleanup has started today and will continue for some time ahead. Chopper 4 has been scouring South Florida all day long, bringing us this bird's eye view of the damage done by the hurricane. They are our first real looks at the widespread damage we're getting. CBS 4's Vanessa Borge put together some of the most incredible images we've seen so far.
Boats, usually a site of leisure in South Florida, now strewn throughout the Keys. Chopper 4 finding a yacht cutting across a canal, tied up with two other boats. And this, what we can only assume was once a home in the Florida Keys, now reduced to rubble and scraps. Back north in Coconut Grove, a storm surge took out the seawall at an apartment building in Grove Isle. The roof of the outdoor pavilion blown off. The Coconut Grove Marina was not spared, neither were these vessels. Yachts and boats took on water and sunk. Chopper 4 flying over Ransom Everglades High School's football field. It too took a beating. The goalposts pushed forward by the mass of a sunken sailboat. At the other end zone, another sailboat. The strong storm surge washing it across the 100-yard field. Surrounding the school, more boats. Pinned to this home, another overturned and another half submerged. A baseball field a day after Irma, it now shares its clay grounds with seaweed. Chopper 4 flew over the crane that collapsed in downtown Miami from Irma's forceful winds, a terrifying sight. But we also caught crews surveying the crane. We're told no one was injured. Our plane flew over these planes at North Perry Airport, some intact, some upside down. And finally, a common sentiment. The desire to go home after days of enduring Hurricane Irma was evident on the Julia Tuttle Causeway. Miami Beach residents hoping to get back to their house and get back to normal. Vanessa Borge, CBS 4 News.